Zenput truly is that tool that everybody needs to verify that what you think is happening in the field is actually happening in the field. We originally looked at Zenput as a way to verify that training is being implemented correctly in the field. But it's so much more. It has exceeded my expectations, and we actually use it across operations, HR, accounting, facility maintenance, marketing.
For me, Zenput has allowed me to gather data quicker. Instead of waiting on 10 different departments that are people to turn in inspections or reports to me, I can just go on my dashboard. I use my phone constantly, pulling up to see where my zone is.
Prior to Zenput, we had most of our compliance and our documents all on paper. We've been able to replace procedures that included very labor-intensive delivery, and by launching Zenput, we're able to receive that information and that data within minutes.
Before Zenput, with having 224 stores across Texas, I have 224 store managers training their own way and not the Timewise way. If I needed to update any kind of training materials or policies and procedures, it was very time consuming to do. What we had to do was print stacks and stacks of paper and then deploy it via the field representative, and hopefully it gets implemented in the field. Now with Zenput, I can reinsure that all new employees are being trained the Timewise way.
Using Zenput has improved the customer experience from the standpoint of all the things we're able to do with it. You know, the accountability with the managers and the territory managers, improving the store conditions through the inspections, able to see the issues that we need. In the past, it would have taken several weeks to get corrected. Now we can get them corrected in a matter of hours a lot of times.
With Zenput, we've used it also as a cost saver as well. Our paper supplies have decreased by 47% just in my district. The productivity of managers in their stores, we've increased their production on the sales floor 10 to 15%, where they can spend more time engaging with customers as well as their employees.
Big game changer for Timewise.